The world continues to suffer extreme weather conditions caused by climate change. From severe storms and floods to extreme heat, drought and wildfires. And so the Pacific Island students fighting climate change are seeking to turn the tide.
Our campaign for an ICJ advisory opinion was born out of a frustration with the inability of the COP processes to deliver urgent climate action. Recognizing that current efforts fall woefully short of what the world desperately needs, despite repeated warnings and overwhelming scientific evidence, even the most basic progress remains elusive.
Although advisory opinions from the world's top court are not binding, they carry significant legal weight and authority. Critics say existing climate treaties do not exclusively define state duties. So in this case, the ICJ will address what obligations states have under international law to address climate change, as well as what legal consequences they will face for failing to meet these obligations.
When the Paris Agreement was concluded, the youth of the world looked up to it as an instrument of hope. Today, the entire COP process has been hijacked by large emitters and major fossil fuel producers, turning it into a polluter-safe harbor and a trap for everyone else.
It's the largest case the top court has ever seen, with submissions from more than 100 countries, particularly developing and climate-vulnerable countries. UN data collected from 48 developing countries across the world show it cost them nearly $5.5 trillion annually from 2023 to 2030 to fight climate change and cut pollution. This translates to an average yearly cost of more than $1,000 per person. That's even though countries with the least emissions are often the most affected by effects of climate change. The ICJ's ruling will potentially reshape the global landscape of climate responsibility. Kuria Kanja, TRT World.